there, thanks for stopping by my channel to color. Today we're going to be coloring these adorable new My Favorite Things stamps from the Fall Friends stamp set. This is a new card kit I put together over on the store blog. If you'd like to pick that up, I will put a link down in the description box. If you'd like to know what colors I used on all these cuties today, there's also a pin card at the bottom of the blog post in case you'd like to save that to your Pinterest board for later reference. I really like pin cards because then you can go whenever you're in a bind and you can't think of what color to use, you can kind of skim through it and see what kind of colors you really enjoyed and try them out. But this stamp set is super adorable. It comes with the two cute girls, some squirrels, pumpkins, some leaves, a little log for the squirrels to sit on, and a bunch of really adorable sentiments. This time for the card kit, I went ahead and got the die set with it because there's so many images. I thought it'd be just quicker if you could cut them out with the die. And you know how I am with fussy cutting. I can do it, but I don't really enjoy it. I'd much rather have the die, so I went ahead and picked both of those up. So I'll put a link to everything I used down in the description box. Don't forget also I'm in the process of downsizing my store, so if you want to pick something up over there, Copic markers, ink pads, paper, dies, a whole bunch of stuff, you can use coupon code SAVE50, so SAVE50, for 50% off of your order. I really appreciate you shopping with me, and I still have a bunch of stuff that has to go before I can, downsize my store to something a lot smaller than what I have currently. So I'm going to go ahead and let you finish watching the coloring, and I will chat with you again at the end. Alright, so I pretty much finished up all the coloring. As you can see, I tried to keep all the colors for the girls the same, so they all have the same skin tone, the same hair tone, and then I used the same colors on each of their outfits and the pumpkin and stuff, so you didn't have to get out a million Copic markers. You could stamp a whole sheet of these girls and the little accessory stamps and color them up and make a whole bunch of cards at once, and then cut them out with the little dies that are provided with the card kit. I think this is going to be quick and easy and a super fun thing to do. I plan on stamping these girls some more and maybe doing a little bit of watercoloring too. I think they'd be adorable as a watercolored scene or something like that. So anyway, I hope you had fun coloring today. If you have a question, leave me a comment down below and I will make sure to get back to you. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button or the thumbs up button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And don't forget to hit the little bell right next to the subscription button so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Or if I'm doing a live class, you can head on over and we can chat. So I hope you're having a fabulous day and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.